After live loads, snow loads, and dead loads have been applied to all stories of a multi-story model, it is time to apply live loads to the staircases. With the load definition dialog already open, from the toolbar, expand the Cases dropdown. In this instance, LL6 is being used. In the Load Definitions dialog, in the Surface tab, select Uniform Planar Load. This displays the Uniform Planar Load dialog. In the Values group, set the Z value to -2. Select Projected Load. Click Add. This closes the dialog. In the Definition dialog, if the Apply To field already has an active selection, delete the selection. From the Object Inspector window, select Story 2. From your keyboard, hold Ctrl, and then, in the drawing area, pick to select the landings and the staircases for the second story. Click within the Apply To field to update the field. From the Object Inspector window, select Story 3. In the Load Definition dialog, click within the Apply To field to activate it. Again, from the keyboard, hold Ctrl, and then in the drawing area, pick to select the landings and staircases of the third story. Next, from the Object Inspector window, select Story 4. In the Load Definition dialog, click within the Apply To field to activate it. Again, from the keyboard, hold Ctrl, and then in the drawing area, pick to select the landings and staircases for the fourth story. Finally, from the Object Inspector window, select Story 5. In the Load Definition dialog, click within the Apply To field to activate it. Again, from the keyboard, hold Ctrl, and then in the drawing area, pick to select the landings and staircases of the fifth story. Click Apply. From the Object Inspector window, display all stories to see the loads applied to each staircase and landing. Close the Load Definition dialog. With the final loads applied, you can now review the Load Cases list to ensure they have been applied appropriately. Expand the Cases dropdown and click each load case to view the loads in the drawing area. The drawing area updates each time a new load case is selected from the dropdown. Loads can also be verified using the Load Table. From the text menu, select View Tables. The Tables Data and Results dialog displays. Select Loads and click OK. The Loads table displays. From this table, you can edit and review the loads. Defining and applying loads using robot structural analysis is an important part of model definition.